How did medieval Gothic architecture survive devastating fires? Imagine a building so strong that even the fiercest fire struggles to bring it down. That's what medieval Gothic architecture was able to do during fires that ravaged many European cities. How did they manage this? Well, it all comes down to the materials and clever engineering used by medieval builders. These structures were mainly built from stone, which does not burn or rot like wood. This meant that even if a fire destroyed the roof or interior, the main stone walls and supports often stayed standing. Gothic cathedrals featured ribbed vaults made from carefully cut stone ribs that supported the ceiling. These vaults were designed to be very strong and to stay locked in compression, which helped them hold together even if the wooden roof above burned away. The flying buttresses, which are external supports, transferred the weight of the vaults to outside piers. This design allowed the walls to be thinner and filled with large stained glass windows, but it also meant the main load-bearing parts remained stable during fires. The roofs of Gothic cathedrals were usually made from large oak beams, called the forest, covered with sheets of lead. While the lead protected the wood from weather, it also concealed the wooden structure underneath. Once a fire started, the wooden roof could burn quickly, but the stone vaults below often survived because they were fire-resistant. This meant the building's skeleton could remain intact, even after the roof was lost. Medieval master masons played a big role in this resilience. They understood how to fit stones precisely and how to lock them together to create stable, durable structures. Their expertise meant that even after a fire, the remaining stone parts could often be repaired and reinforced. Sometimes, later restorations added iron or steel supports to strengthen the old stonework, but originally, the buildings were designed to stand without such modern materials. Fire prevention measures also helped limit damage. Thick stone walls acted as fire barriers, and the division of spaces inside the cathedral helped contain fires. Over time, restorers added fire-resistant coatings and barriers to protect wooden elements further. So, the reason Gothic architecture could survive fires was mainly because of its stone construction, the smart use of vaults and buttresses, and the skill of medieval builders. When fires did happen, they often destroyed the wooden roofs and interiors but left the stone skeletons standing. This allowed many of these magnificent buildings to be restored and used for centuries, showing how clever engineering and durable materials helped these structures endure through the ages.